Hmm?
Come on. You can at least burp for me instead of just having the hiccups. He's being uncooperative.
I did weigh him, and he gained a gram. 1 gram. So he's still 6 pounds 9 ounces.